Hi, myself Mohammad Farah Sharif. I'm here to present my presentation of corporate accounting with the subject code of H15020. As we can see in this, there are two statements: income statements versus cash flow statements. In this, there are several benefits of the statement of income to the investors along with the creditors. This includes getting the information on how the company performed in a previous fiscal years, allowing for the data to be collected to understand the trends which will follow in the future. The financial report of a company can be used to assess the capacity of a company to deal with the new ideas of revenue generation as a capital which collected can be determined from the statement of income. The next point is the International Accounting Standard IAS 7 highlights that the significant standard for the accounting in the statement of cash flow, which can be useful comparison, con- contrasting and analysis of investment opportunity in a different companies. As we can see, there is a second point in the primary source of cash. The BPH Limited cash from its operation generation an amount of $23,000 428 US million dollars divided by dividends for the year 2019, which amounted up to 1516 US million dollars, as an interest of 443 US million dollars was also collected. And the second point, Santos and Fantastic Limited used the source such as consumer receipt and proceed from the functions and several provided to the customers. Dividends and payments from the investments were also source a capital of the company. The three companies have been using cash to buy stock, to buy the shares based on the market-based transaction and other capital assets like plant, equipments and machinery. Santos Limited has used cash to buy exploration assets and also for the acquisition of subsidies along with the purchase of oil and gas assets. So the next one is cash flow from the activities of operation continuously. BHP Limited increase or not decreases in the cash from the recent 3 years, 2019, 18 and 17. Santos Limited, the last years of Santos Limited made an increased cash inflow. Fantastic Limited, mixed trends. Now the next part is comparing the values of the communicating profit and cash flow of the operations. Profit of BHP Limited company have varied from in the year of 2017, 18 and 19 respectively, as it is generated capital of operating its business. From observing the values of cash flow, difference can be highlighted in the values, which is the net income that BHP has generated from the profit accrued during the limited time of span. Excellent. Moving to the next point, the generating sufficient cash for covering the capital expensive. The financial reports, more specifically the statement of income and the cash flow, it can be observed that the three companies have sufficient capital to facility of the capital expense. Moving to the next point, the payment of dividends. BHP Limited Company was successfully in a payment dividends to its shareholders and investors, which did not contribute. Santos has not been constantly according to the financial report of the company. In the year of 2017, no dividends were paid to the inventors and shareholders. However, for the next 2 years, the following amount of dividends was paid to 251 and 73 million US currency. Fantastic Limited. No dividends were paid by this company in any of the 3 years. Again, moving to the next point, investigating the cash, the extra cash. The BHP Limited used the extra cash which has accrued from the function of the company to pay the new plants and acquire new equipment and machinery. Additionally, BHP also made the investment in the shares to buy back the company. Santos Limited. This company made the investment with its extra cash into funding more assets for exploration and acquire the gas and oil assets. Fantastic Limited. Finally, Fantastic Limited made use of its extra cash to repay the shares it had previously bought in the last fiscal years. Moving to the next point, using working capitals. Company often use other sources like assets, liabilities currently available to accrue the capital payment and its use. Moving to the next point, primary sources having implications on the cash flow of every firm. BHP Limited, downgrading expense investment in the equality which leads to profit or loss. The revenue generated from the functions of the company, overall tax incomes and taxes on the royalty paid. Lastly, the financials acquiring the plants, property and equipment. Santos Limited, consumer expenses incurred on the restoring suppliers and employee payment and any loans which were taken. Fantastic Limited, recipients give by the consumer large sums of payments made to the suppliers and other assets which were considered intangible. Repaying the commercial bills were also part of this cash flow. Moving to the next point, trends of dividends. BHP Limited, payment of the dividends has continued from the BHP Limited along with the increase in the quantity of dividends. Santo Limited, the company paid dividends in the year of 2018 and 19. However, it did not pay dividends in the 2017. Fantastic Limited, no dividends had been paid by this company in the last 3 years. Moving to the next point, trends observed in loans. The net revenue generated from the loans were lesser than expense of the payments made in the short-term and long-term loans, which is why the three companies paid the loans from the extra capital which was generated. Moving to the next point, the, the trends observed in the working capital accounts. For the BHP Limited, in the past 3 years, the cumulative assets were more than cumulative liability, which meant an increased capital which has been assigned for the working account according to the balance sheet. The difference between the two values is an indication of the facial excess of BHP Limited as the capital produce of the work is very high. Moving to the next point, the financial aspects and lending requirement. In order to choose one company among these three which were studied in the report, BHP Limited would be the best choice to obtain the loan as its rating of the creditor is higher than other companies. So here I comes with the end of my presentation of corporate accounting with the subject code of H15020. Thank you.